Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to set up a master test protocol, also known as an MTP, for a new combination of a test and a method. Why is this important? Because the MTP defines exactly how a test should be performed, ensuring it's repeatable, compliant, and traceable every time. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create a new MTP. Start by navigating to the Master Test Protocol summary screen and selecting Add New Record. Choose the test and method from the drop-down menus, enter a unique protocol ID, and select the client and author. If needed, you can also add a purpose and scope. Once that's done, click Confirm to create your new master test protocol. Step 2. Complete the cover page. After creating the MTP, open the cover page where you can update key information, upload a reference file, add a comment, or print the MTP for review. Step 3. Assign people and roles. Next, go to the Personnel tab. Here, you can add users who need access to the MTP and designate who will serve as approvers. Step 4. Assign actions. The Action tab allows you to assign tasks to individuals or external users who have permission to view the MTP. Step 5. Add materials and equipment. In the Materials tab, enter the materials required to execute the protocol. If you've set this up before, you can copy the list from an existing MTP. The Equipment tab works the same way: add the equipment needed, or reuse a previous configuration. Step 6. Link documents. Use the Documents tab to attach supporting files from your document management system. Step 7. Build the instructions. Now we move to the Instructions tab, where you'll outline each step of the testing procedure. You can enter the step number and set predecessor rules if steps need to follow a specific order. At each step, you can assign a part number or select where inventory items or samples are updated. If equipment is used during the step, you can enable the checkbox and select the appropriate equipment. You also have the option to log equipment activity automatically. The system also lets you use the room log and, if desired, update that log automatically. If the step involves a QC test sample, you can indicate that, but note that you can't select both a QC test sample and inventory for the same step. You can also choose whether a result must be entered. If the step captures a test result, check the QC test result box to access options for uploading an image or linking to an external result. When this option is selected, the system will automatically assign a performer. Enter a unit and click Confirm to complete this step. If you intend to capture analytical data on this step, you will need to create a dynamic field that can be used to record the data. Step 8. Define QC tests. The QC Tests tab is where you link steps to the test results you want to collect. First, click Add New Record. Here is where you'll select the appropriate test step, define the test specification, select the result type, and check the COA box if you want the result to appear on the certificate of analysis. Step 9. Complete approvals. Once all the instructions and QC tests are in place, go to the MTP Approvals tab. Here, designated approvers can sign off, officially completing the protocol. And that's it. You've now built a master test protocol that sets the standard for how that specific test method pair should be executed. It's compliant, traceable, and ready to be used. Thanks for watching, and if you have questions, we're here to help.